So, hello everyone, and I have got this kind of new box. It's about chemistry. It's a lot of cool things, and there's glucose, solution of glucose, and also other chemicals. So what I experimented today is I did this experiment. It's called a blue bottle, and you can change the color of the liquid inside the bottle. So this is the bottle. You see? So it's like transparent. Now let me tell you. Okay, actually there's a bit of blue. Looks like the reaction started before we wanted it to. So what is inside this bottle? Well, it is mostly warm water, about 40 milliliters. Then there is a bit of methylene blue, 5 drops. 3 big spoons of sodium hydroxide, which is a bit fierce. And there's also 1 bottle, which is, I'm going to get the bottle, this much of glucose. Well, there were 2 bottles of glucose, and this one's full, so we actually use nothing too much, but still. So those are all of the chemicals inside that. Inside this bottle. So it's warm water, methylene blue, NaOH, which is sodium hydroxide, and glucose, which is right over there. Now, look what happens when I shake it. You can see that this is a colorless liquid, but now look what happens when I shake it. It turns blue. And then, if we let it set for a bit, it will take a while, but see, it is turning very slowly, a bit less deep colored and more like light blue, I think. Okay, it's still very dark blue, and not like very dark blue, but still a bit dark. But soon, I think it'll turn colorless again. This does take a long time. It's a bit boring waiting for it, but still kind of sage. See? It's kind of changed color. Usually it starts slowly but then speeds up. It's a cool thing. Okay, I think all people who are watching this video have now seen the change. It's become much lighter here, a bit lighter. Okay, this is light, definitely. More light. And there's a drop falling over there, which is a drop of methylene blue, actually. Light. It's very, very light. See? But why can I turn it blue? Well, it is because it has this compound, methylene blue. And it's actually an indicator. I mean, like, not an indicator of acids or alkalis, or alkalis, which you normally hear in chemistry. An indicator, the definition of an indicator is something that indicates an acid or an alkali. This one doesn't. Methylene blue indicates an oxidant, like oxygen. So the thing that happens is that when I make the solution of methylene blue, sodium hydroxide, and glucose in hot water, what happens is that it doesn't have any oxygen at all. It doesn't have any oxygen at all. No oxygen in there. So it doesn't look, so the methylene blue doesn't actually look blue because there's no oxygen in there. So, and one way I can get oxygen in there is by shaking it. And this lets some of the air dissolve in the solution. And this makes the methylene blue look blue. and it's really fun to do it. That, and it's blue. And then we'll wait, and it'll become colorless. So that is how this experiment works. Get it? And bye for now, and see you on our next video.